Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to spam I miss the range on TikTok. So for that we have to go on our TikTok, go to me, then go to your inbox, and then go right here to chat. So you have to write I miss the rage with caps lock. Then copy this text. Copy. As you can see, it's copied to clipboard. Hold on your keyboard again and go to clipboard. And then here you have to click as many times as you want to this text and send again, send, and that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts, and the most important, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us grow. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.